Okay.
Right?
Yeah, oh yeah. Almost tipped over, but
Oh, my Ozzy.
hey, I didn't fall off a mountain. Did you hear that? What was it? When I get nervous, you'll hear me say, "Did you hear that?" Just want to make sure you heard it. My gosh. This is creepy back here.
Public land. It's outside of town.
Chris, did you hear the stomp? Straight back. Right back, or ahead of you. Ask him if anybody else heard the stomp.
Anybody else here to stop? Steve Juice says hi, by the way.
Hey, look at that. Oh, just some broken up stuff. Well, that's kind of a neat little thing. I was talking to the GoPro, but yeah, there's a bunch of like asterisks back there. Yeah.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
Done with some stuff cleaned up.
Oh, that looks like a pressure brake.
I mean, this is different.
Yeah, what?
All these things leaned up against this thing and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
That was not here.
Oh, look at the horizontal.
Oh, could be bigger.
Wow. That's crazy. And it looks like it has like all the bark off the bottom of it.
It does.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I haven't seen that one before. That's weird because there's a trail around that way too. See that? Around the outside. Mm-hmm. Oh, I see. Yeah, I see which one. I'm coming, I'm fine. I just gotta get through all the... Rip my shirt. That is a deep ravine. Holy crap. Yeah, I see that. Where? Holy cow, you are very far back in here. This is crazy. Oh wow, this is cool. Like a little sandy area. Neat. Wonder how many footprints are in here.
Might be an our end, Steve. But Karen's wearing a GoPro, so another version of tonight too. This one. Yep.
Wow, is this... Did you film this before?
Yeah. You're
Okay, that's right. Look at this now, how broke up and bent it all is.
Yeah.
That is weird. Wow, that changed a lot. I'm gonna see if I can find any footprints. Huh? Deer. Here's an interesting one. I think I need to go walk about. Hey, hey! Kinda like it out here.
You like it out here?
Yeah. With this little sandy area and all these, like, all these liens and everything up against the trees, it's like, yes, there is. Lots of broken branches and I don't know. Oh yeah, it was spring. It's pretty cool though, so much to look at. It's, yeah, like this here. It's like, you know, really nice bends here. Got a whole group of bends. Right here, this whole thing here, just kind of, you know, I'm sure you've seen it already, but look at the, you know, how it, like,
Oh
whoop,
yeah, that's,
whoop.
look at this.
Do you hear that?
Whoop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You heard it?
Yeah. Look right here.
What?
Look at the sticks. All kind of laid out
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Can you guys see that?
Yeah, it's all like intertwined and just back and forth, and then I seen this big bunch, and then it just kind of bent. But I heard a really nice whoop over here. Whoop!
Great minds.
I'm like,
As soon as I turn the camera off, it moves twice in the direction I just go.
you know what? I'm just following the signs. Like, right here is one. Like,
Nice.
doesn't that kind of look like weird?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you got bend, bend, bend all over. And then over here, it's intertwined in a tree. And it's like pretty much everywhere you're looking, there's something.
Yeah.
Right here, look at this. How do you get a fork of a tree